Hi gamers! In this video, let's find step-by-step guide on how to make use of PDAs in Stalker 2. Heart of Chernobyl, PDAs are nothing but personal digital assistants play a crucial role in both narrative progression and gameplay mechanics. Here's how to effectively utilize PDAs, particularly the unusual PDA, within the game. The unusual PDA becomes significant during the quest back to Sled Heap, where players must decide whether to show it to NPCs, influencing both story outcomes and rewards. Key choices with the unusual PDA show the PDA to Colonel Korshunov. Rewards. You receive a ward badge, which allows easier access to restricted areas and grants a unique weapon, the Combat and ACM-74s. This weapon is useful early in the game, but may not remain optimal as you progress. Mission progression directly leads to the main mission Hot on the Trail without requiring additional side quests. Show the PDA to Scar. If you show it to Scar after Korshunov, expect resentment from Scar's faction, but you will still gain access to the Noontide base, albeit after completing a side mission called the Heavy Burden. If you choose not to show it to Korshunov first, showing it to Scar will also allow access but requires completing additional tasks. Do not show the PDA. Keeping the PDA hidden results in no immediate rewards from Korshunov and may complicate your mission path by requiring additional side missions before accessing certain areas. That's it for the video. Hope you got value from this.